Next question. What is power of compounding? And if money grows at 10%, 20%, 25%, what difference does that make?
Well, it's a very interesting thing. I mean, this is one of the not so well discovered, formula by a lot of retail investors, but those who have discovered, including some people on the dais here, they've been able to create a lot of wealth. So what is power of compounding? I think the beauty is, many times, and I'm going to step back a little, whenever investors invest in markets, they start thinking it's very important to invest and review and reinvest, move out, keep taking those calls. But the power of investing is basically that comes when you're a lazy investor and an informed investor. And I'll try to define both the things differently. Lazy investor is someone who invest for long term, is not basically getting human bias into it again and again because the markets are going up or going down. But the intelligent investor is basically the one who understands the power of compounding. So let's give an example. One of the oldest funds in the country, which started in 95, without naming it because I'm on the platform here, the NAV of 10 is today about 4,000. So that technically means basically that fund over the period of time has given a return of about 23% since 95, compounding. But if we were to look at another fund, which would have given just basically 15%, so that 10,000 rupees, which becomes 4 crore rupees, effectively the 10% difference means the wealth is actually half. That's the power of compounding. What we see 10%, 5% looks very small, but you see over a longer period of time, it totally changes the dimension. So I think from our point of view, the power of compounding, Nikunj, that you mentioned, that is one big change that we have seen. Unlike in past where people used to try to invest in mutual funds like stocks, buy, trade, move out. I think we have seen a very big change. Basically, people are understand the power of compounding, investing for long term. And I think that what we are seeing, the longevity of our SIPs increasing day by day. So I think all I can say is to Nikunj's question, the power of compounding, what it does is basically it is not basically in a linear way. I think it basically 10 rupees becomes 4,000 rupees NAV over 25 years, and the compounding is only 20%. And that is the wealth that a person can create.
So